Hello everyone. So welcome to our tutorial again, and in this tutorial we are going to cover read file sync. So we have covered in last tutorial read file in asynchronous mode. So asynchronous mode we are requesting for some functionality to another function like delete requesting to RAM, and then after that Ram is completing the task. He will be sharing the callback. I am done. But what is a synchronous way? Synchronous way, there should be no callback. So till that time, Ram is not completing his task. Till that time, Dilip should be idle, and after that only Dilip will start work. This is called as synchronous in nature. So how do I implement this concept? Let's go to your Visual Studio Code and let's create a file here. Read file sync.js. Again do the same steps. Var fs equal to require fs module, and this time we are doing file read file sync and pass the file name. So hello.txt and unified text format UTF-8. Now clear, and node read file sync.js. It will run, but I want to print the data. So let's copy it and now go back to console.log data. Save it and run it again. Now I am getting the data. So I can achieve this task with the help of read file sync, and I am not passing the callback function. So it looks very easy, but it creates problem. Now see, if this step is not done, this is not going to execute. So this is the synchronous way, and it making your performance slower. Okay, so always a asynchronous way is better in the case of Node.js. So thanks for watching this video. I've done with the read file, a read file sync. Now next tutorial we are going to learn write file. Thanks.